Hi, I'm Matt with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Evaporator Thermistor on this Whirlpool freestanding installation.
Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water.
You will need the following tools before you begin this repair: a 1/4-inch nut driver.
A defective evaporator thermistor will typically terminate operation of the ice machine. When you get there, you'll basically open the door, you'll see the service light blinking 3 times at about a 2-second interval. The evaporator thermistor can be tested. You should be looking at about 10,000 ohms at 77 degrees Fahrenheit. To begin this repair, we'll first open the door to gain access to the interior components. Now we've removed the ice bin door just for video purposes, but the next step we're going to take here is removing the 2 1/4-inch screws for the cutting grid cover. And then you can just go ahead and grab the cover and pull it off. To remove the cutting grid, we're going to first disconnect the Molex connector here. And then we're going to remove the 2 1/4-inch screws that are holding the bracket in place. Now with the screws removed, you can just go ahead and slide the grid right out. Just want to be careful that you're not going to catch on your bin thermostat wiring that's on the side of the cabinet here. To replace the evaporator thermistor, we're going to start by disconnecting the Molex connector. And we're going to remove the 2 1/4-inch screws that are holding the water slide reservoir in place. Once the screws are removed, you just go ahead and pull the reservoir out. Now at this point, you're just going to reach up, grab the evaporator thermistor, which is located right here. And it's just got a little clip on it that clips it to the evaporator. Just going to pull it off. Now at this point, you're going to have to push down a little bit on the evaporator line and pull the thermistor through. Now you're going to have to transfer your clip from your old thermistor to your new thermistor. Just going to basically pop the clip off and just take note on the thermistor. It does have like a curved edge to it on the inside. The other side's just flat. This is the side that's actually going to wrap around the evaporator itself. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put our clip onto our new thermistor. And again, make sure that your curved edge is facing up this way. It's going to clip up onto the evaporator line just like that. To install the new evaporator thermistor, you're going to start by running it up the right-hand side. And you're going to run it above the evaporator line. And then fish it down through. At this point, you can go ahead and reconnect your Molex. And you're just gonna reach up, snap the thermistor in about the center of the evaporator line. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our reservoir water slide. Next, we'll reinstall the cutting grid. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our cutting grid cover. Just want to make sure that your wire here doesn't get pinched. Next, we'll reinstall the cutting grid. Gonna basically put it up in the track. You wanna just be careful of your bin thermistor harness and the evaporator thermistor harness. You wanna make sure that it's not gonna catch on either of those. Slide it up in there. And we can go ahead and install the connector. And we're gonna go ahead and put our 2 1/4-inch screws in on each side. Now we can go ahead and reinstall the grid cutter cover. And that will complete the repair on the Whirlpool freestanding ice maker. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.